how to add Paysafecard to Shopify. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. In this video, we're going to be talking about adding Paysafecard to Shopify in the easiest way. So let's get straight into it. So to start things off, what you're going to do is you're going to come to your settings section over here. And once you come into your settings section, basically you're going to go into payments. Now, once you head into your payments, obviously you're going to need to authorize a gateway with the Paysafecard payment providers, okay? So you're going to click on choose a provider, okay? And once you do that, you're going to first of all search Paysafe over here. Now, in the case that you can't find Paysafe over here, what you're going to do from here is you could either add a manual payment method, or you could go with a supported payment method, and you can search by, either search Paysafe over here, and there you go. It gives you Paysafecard. So go into secondary payment methods, choose your Paysafecard, and then it gives you different providers that offer this payment. So obviously go with something that is more known. So Ping Pong Checkout is quite famous, so you're gonna go with that. Now once you do that, you're just gonna click on connect, and it's gonna take you to obviously the provider's checkout website. And then you're just gonna obviously go ahead and add the details, get the request granted, and that is basically how you are going to be connecting your Paysafecard to Shopify. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.